King 190328. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels with its leak-proof internal pump design, eliminating chemical drips during use. Its high-pressure piston pump delivers up to 150 psi for reaching elevated areas like tree canopies, while the adjustable regulator maintains a steady 25 psi for precise herbicide application. The ergonomic harness system features padded shoulder straps, a waist belt, and a chest strap to distribute weight comfortably during extended use. The translucent 4-gallon tank includes fill markings and an agitator paddle that mixes contents automatically with each pump stroke. 4 interchangeable nozzles, adjustable brass, narrow and wide flat fans, and a foaming tip offer versatility for different tasks, with compatibility for T-Jet accessories. Viton seals ensure chemical resistance, and the lockable shutoff valve paired with an inline filter reduces clogging risks. Built for durability, this sprayer balances professional-grade performance with user-friendly features like a reversible pump handle and tool-free maintenance.